Welcome. How do you order custom printed vests with your logo? Really easy. It only is two simple steps. Step 1, we select our printing options, and step 2, we select our safety vests. Now, a customized printed vest is one where you've supplied the logo or the artwork which we print onto your vests. If, however, you just want some simple wording, then you need to go to this page, simple wording page, where you can choose from some of our preset designs like fire warden, building warden, visitor, etc. Or you can select some custom wording, and you can do that on this page here. But you're here because you're supplying us with your logo and or design that you want printed onto your vests. On this tab here, you can have a look at what the pricing is for the front and back and front and back. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to select our location, back of the vest. And then we're going to select the number of colors. Now, it's not so important, the number of colors, when you're ordering less than 50 vests, but it is important when you're ordering over 50. So let's select three colors for today, and I'm going to choose the artwork. You can't see the dialog box that pops up, but I'm going to select our safety vest logo right there, and it's appeared there. Please, in the custom text and printing instructions box, just let us know what you would like printed and where, and just fill in any instructions. And we're going to order 5 vests today, and I'm going to add that to the cart, and that should appear up over here very shortly. There you go. It tells us the logos there, etc. Now we have adult vests and children's vests to choose from. So we've got 9 different colors, which is a fantastic selection. We're going to select blue vest today. Make sure that, again, you can't see the dialog box, but I'm selecting large, and we're going to select 5. So it's important that you select the same amount of vests that you want printed, and you're going to add that to the cart. And there you go. And you can go through and view your cart and check out. It really is that simple. If you do have any questions, feel free to contact us or email us, and we'll gladly help. Thank you.